Hello, hello. I bought these Imperil nuts, honey roasted cashews, halves and pieces. Right here is the packaging. Got these at Big Lots. Yep, it was at Big Lots and it was $3.79. So not crazy expensive, but also not super cheap. I ate about that many of them about almost 2 hours ago. Yeah, these are horrible. For one, they're barely salty, they barely are sweet, or they have, to me, they don't have any honey flavor at all. I feel like they used something other than honey to flavor these. But yeah, these are horrible, and they have like almost a chemically bitter aftertaste that 2 hours later my mouth still has that bittery chemically aftertaste. So I would not recommend these. They're horrible. Don't get them. I will link some decent ones, not these, but decent ones below if you're looking to buy some honey roasted cashews. But these, if you see them at your Big Lots or any other store, bypass them. I don't care how cheap they are, because I'm not eating the rest of these. These are, and that with that bitter aftertaste that, like I said, almost has a chemically essence to it. I don't even think you could use these in baking or cooking and have good results. So, epic fail. 1 out of 5 stars or 0 out of 5 stars. Like they're horrible. It makes me wonder if like the cashews were like rancid or something. I don't know what's going on here, but this is bad. Stay away from it if you can. If you've ever tried this brand before, let me know. Did you have the same experience that I did, or was this some kind of fluke? Let me know down below. And if you have not, do you like cashews? Let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!